Hi there and welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial on how to optimize your business workflow with the help of InvoiceBerry and Zapier. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of InvoiceBerry, a simple online invoicing tool for small business owners. Today what we're trying to achieve is we want to take a booking from YouCanBookMe and create an invoice for that booking. A use case would be if you are a YouCanBookMe user and one of your customers books a call with you, you might want to send them an invoice, they have to pay it, and only then you jump on that call. That is for consulting calls, coaching calls, and similar things. So now I'm on the YouCanBookMe website and I just go into my account. That's my account, it's a very clean dashboard. And first we have to find YouCanBookMe and InvoiceBerry on Zapier. So now I'm in my Zapier account and let me just search for YouCanBookMe. All right, YouCanBookMe, and let's search for InvoiceBerry. The trigger for YouCanBookMe is a new booking, and the action would be to create a new invoice. You could also create a new client if you don't want to instantly send out the invoice. But in our case, let's create a new invoice. Let's click on try it. And as a first step, we have to connect our YouCanBookMe account with Zapier and our InvoiceBerry account with Zapier. You might have noticed this editor looks a bit different. This is the advanced editor in Zapier. I'm not sure why with this integration with YouCanBookMe, it automatically goes to the advanced editor. I haven't been able to open the other editor, but that's not an issue at all. So let's just click here on the trigger. We chose already the app, YouCanBookMe, a new booking, continue, and now we have to connect YouCanBookMe. Let's click on sign in. All right, so we need the API key from YouCanBookMe, and here are the instructions how to find them. So let's just go to our YouCanBookMe account, click on the right top corner, open account, and here click on integrations. And here you find Zapier, and just click on show key, mark it and copy it, and go back to the pop-up, pop in that code, click on continue. Perfect. Our YouCanBookMe account is connected. Let's click on continue. And now we have to select the profile. That's my demo profile. Click on continue. Okay, perfect. Now we want to do a test trigger. Let's click on test trigger. Okay, they couldn't find any booking because I haven't booked any calls with myself yet. So just go into your YouCanBookMe account, click on the dashboard and click on the link, which is basically your booking link. Okay, let me book a call with myself. Let's say 1 p.m. on Friday. My first name, last name, and my email address. And this, for example, would be your consulting call, which let's say we're gonna set it up at $49. Click on confirm. Perfect. Let's go back to Zapier, test the trigger once more. Okay, perfect. They found our booking. Here all the information. Perfect. And let's click on continue. And now we have to connect our InvoiceBerry account. For that, click on sign in. And InvoiceBerry will ask for your API key and your API password. So let's go to our InvoiceBerry account. Click on settings, main settings, and integrations. And here you find your API key and your API password. Let's copy the key, pop it in here. Let's copy the password, pop it in here, and let's click on yes, continue. Awesome. So our InvoiceBerry account was connected to Zapier now. Let's click on continue. And here we've got a lot of different fields we can fill out. but since we only have very little information from YouCanBookMe, we're just gonna fill out the most important information. As client name, I like to do a combination of the first name and last name. Then the client email, that's this one. Let's leave these things empty. The currency is required. So we said we want to charge $49. So let's search for USD. The date of issue, probably the date when the person booked our call. Let's have a look here. Okay, date, time, the booking was made. So it's this one. And let's go further down. So we said it's a consulting call. In this case, we just write, let's say, 1 hour consulting call. Unit cost, we said 49. The quantity is 1. And then lastly, we want to automatically send the invoice to the customer. Let's click on continue. Here you can see all the mapping of the data. That's fine. And let's click on test action. Perfect. So Zapier tells us everything worked fine and the invoice was inserted successfully. Let's check our InvoiceBerry account. Let's go to clients. Okay, here we've got our client. Let's go to invoices. That's our invoice, $49. Let's click on it. All right, there you have it. Our invoice is here, 1 hour consulting call for $49. And let's also check our inbox. Yes. So there's a meeting scheduled, and this would be the client's email inbox, and the client received a $49 invoice. Obviously, you can change the colors, you can change the logo on the invoice, you can change the text and so on. And also the beautiful thing with InvoiceBerry, InvoiceBerry integrates with a number of online payment gateways, so you can start accepting online payments directly on your invoices. So once you integrated InvoiceBerry with the likes of Stripe, Square, WePay, or any other online payment gateways, you will find a Pay Now button on your invoices. So your customers can simply click on the button, pop in the credit or debit card details and pay you. And that's a very nice automated workflow because your customer can use YouCanBookMe to book a call. Then Zapier will send the information to InvoiceBerry. InvoiceBerry will create an invoice, send it to your customer, and your customer can simply click on the pay button, pop in their details and pay you. And InvoiceBerry will be notified and the invoice will be marked as paid here. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm happy to help you to optimize your business and to automate it even further. Have a fantastic day and happy invoicing. Bye bye.